Today, we're diving into the world of Messenger profile connections. We'll explore a way to find your profile QR code, allowing others to quickly add you on Messenger. There's exciting news. Messenger has introduced a new feature for profile QR codes. Let's see if you have it. First thing that you need to do is to open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Messenger and make sure that you have the latest version. And launch the Messenger app. In the top left corner, find your profile picture. Give it a tap. Look closely at the top right corner of your profile page. You might see a new icon resembling a QR code itself. If it's there, that's your golden ticket. Tap on that icon. This should display your unique Messenger profile QR code. You can now share this image with friends, business associates, or anyone you want to connect with on Messenger. Anyone with a smartphone can scan your QR code, whether it's from the app or link method. Here's how. Open their camera app. Point the camera at your QR code image. A notification will pop up with a link. Tap it. Voila! They'll be directed straight to a chat with you on Messenger, ready to connect. So there you have it. You can now easily share your Messenger profile and connect with others. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech hacks. And in the comments below, let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.